If you are a victim of domestic violence, 10 Ways to Find Help with Your Case is a resource that can connect you to someone who can help. For the full guide, visit the National Council of Juvenile and Family Court Judges website, ncjfcj.org, or the NCJFCJ's Resource Center on Domestic Violence, Child Protection, and Custody at rcdvcpc.org.
Work with a domestic violence advocate. An advocate is a person who works with you at your local domestic violence organization and can give you information about services near you, how to find counseling, where to find a shelter, and places that can supervise visitation. They can also help you make a safety plan, including for when you have to go to court.
Call the legal aid office for your area. Legal aid or legal services provide free lawyers to people who have low income or for people with a legal problem. Be sure to ask about free lawyers for domestic violence victims.
Call your state bar and ask about its referral service. Many states have a program that can refer you to a lawyer in your area with family law experience. Many offer a free or low-cost first meeting, so you can get a bit of guidance even if you can't afford to hire a lawyer to represent you for the whole case.
Go to Ask a Lawyer events. You can talk to a lawyer about your case for free for 15 to 30 minutes to get some advice and direction, especially if you can't find an attorney to represent you. Ask your state bar or court clerk's office about events near you.
Call your local court clerk's office. The clerk's office is at or near the courthouse where people file papers in their cases. And although the staff at the clerk's office are not lawyers and they cannot provide you legal advice, they can help you find local self-help resources and can give you general information about court proceedings, like how to schedule a hearing.
Encuentre un centro de autoayuda. Muchos tribunales y bibliotecas de derecho tienen centros de autoayuda en el juzgado o en las cercanías y generalmente tienen talleres o videos sobre cómo preparar su papeleo o consejos para comparecer ante el tribunal.
Call your local law library. They will have books and information about the law. The librarians cannot give you legal advice, but they can help you research the law or find legal services in your area.
Llame a un centro nacional o local de recursos para violencia doméstica. Los centros de recursos tienen información sobre muchos temas relacionados con la violencia doméstica y también información para ciertas cuestiones y para ciertos grupos de personas.
Be persistent, but be polite. Persistence is key. Keep track of whom you talk to, then don't be afraid to follow up. Also remember, courtesy is appreciated. You're under an incredible amount of stress. It's hard not to get emotional when you're talking about your safety and your children's future. But if you can be polite, you'll usually get more help.
Take care of yourself. You're going through a difficult time. The pressure on you never seems to end, whether it's work or caring for your children. Friends, family, and faith communities can all be sources of support. Don't be afraid to accept help.